My name is Brett. I'm from St. Charles, Missouri. So I was put into a pretty good situation where I was being promoted as the new detail manager for a company. So I wanted to come here and get the best training or the required training that I would need. Awesome. Definitely, I'm learning a lot. I have my own business as well, which I'm going to use a lot from this, aside from detailing, and put it towards.
It was more than I would bargain for, I would say. Like he was saying, I kind of came into it, took everything that I already knew and just applied it as if I didn't know anything, and I learned a lot.